Hey yarn babes! In today's video, I'm gonna go yarn shopping. Now, you might be asking yourself, Betsy, where have you been for like the past month? You started this crochet beginner series and then you never finished. I rarely sell anything on Etsy, but when I do, be sure that I'm gonna get plowed over by orders. Like being plowed over, I don't even think it justifies how busy I was. Like literally, I had orders coming out my yin yang. But that's all over now. So what is a girl to do when she has no orders to fulfill? Yarn shopping, duh. Yeah, my yarn stash is looking a little cry right now. Hold up. So, one thing I want to mention before anybody starts hating on me, and nobody's really hated on me yet on this channel, but it's soon to come, right? This yarn haul is probably not going to be a very big yarn haul because I'm kind of on a budget right now, specifically a $26 budget. $26, oh holla, $26, oh holla, oh yeah, okay, let's go. Woo! We're in the car. We're in business, baby. We're in business, baby. Alright guys, so before I walk into the first store, I'm sitting here in the parking lot in my car, obviously, right? So I just want to tell you guys that I usually only go to 2 stores, which is Hobby Lobby and Walmart, and that is because I live literally 5 minutes away from them. I wish I could go to like Michael's and Joann Fabrics more often, but Michael's is actually about 25 minutes away from my home, and Joann Fabrics, I mean, here in Texas, it seems like I haven't even seen one. I mean, okay, so let's rewind. I used to live in Colorado in the middle of nowhere. So if I wanted to go to like a Hobby Lobby, Joann's Fabric, or Michael, I had to travel a whole hour. So now, fast forward into the future, I live in Killeen, Texas, where everything is so convenient and I absolutely love it. I adore it. It's fabulous. And my go-to places whenever I go out is either Hobby Lobby or Walmart because they have yarn. So anyways, I don't know why I'm ranting about that. I just wanted to let you guys know that we're going to Hobby Lobby and we're going to Walmart, okay? Alright, bye. Okay guys, so I've never vlogged while shopping, so I'm kind of nervous right now. So about that, guess what I just walked out with? Yarn and more yarn. Just spent $5 on yarn. I'm a failure. I am a failure. Okay, so first of all, I never buy cotton. I just don't mess with cotton, okay? I don't do cotton projects. I've bought cotton yarn in the past, but do I make anything with cotton? No, I don't. Yet I bought cotton today. I love this cotton. I bought cotton today because I have been having a heck of a time finding a nice skin tone yarn for a doll that my daughter's been asking me to make her for about a year now, okay? I've made her dolls in the past, but she hated them because she's really picky. Then today, out of nowhere, I decided it was a quest to find this yarn. So I found it. I found some skin tone colors that I actually really like. Now you might be thinking, Betsy, it's only $5. Why are you freaking out? And let me tell you, it's a freaking snowball effect, okay? You start spending $5, it becomes $20, and then it becomes freaking $100, all right? So, because of this failure on my part, I have decided I'm not even going to touch Walmart today because I don't want to end up spending $100 on yarn. Capiche? Yarn's kind of a touchy subject, and I'm sitting in the parking lot of Hobby Lobby having a meltdown. This might be rock bottom for me. And then she said, I'm not gonna buy yarn until I use up all the yarn I already own. And then we laughed and we laughed and we laughed. I have self-control. I'm driving home now.